Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your phone number into your Bitget account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to change your phone number in Bitget, you just simply have to open your Bitget application. And after opening the application, tap into this dotted icon into the top left corner. Now after tapping into there, just simply select your profile at very first and then go over this security page where you will get to see this phone number option. Just simply open it, and after that you will get to see the option of change phone number. Tap into change phone number, and now you just simply have to enter your mobile number into the upper box at very first. Now just simply enter the phone number which you would like to change to, and after that you will get a verification code into your new mobile number. And after entering the verification code and tapping to submit, you will get another verification code into your email address. Just simply enter that verification code too, and after submitting that one, your phone number will successfully be changed into your Bitget account. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.